6-speed manual. So this is the rare breed because only US had the manuals, because in the world they all had the SMG, 7-speed SMG, but then this one is a 6-speed manual. Total number of produced was 20,548 E60 M5s were produced, but only 1366 were produced in manual. So it's a rare breed, and right now, a lot of cars, go down the trash. So I'm pretty sure it's less than 1,000 in the US right now. It's pretty torquey. It revs up to 83, I think, 8300. And this one doesn't have the automatic downshift rev match, so I gotta do my own. It's only 2007, it's pretty old.
Still pretty fast.
Yeah, not bad for a 15-year-old car. So this is the regular course that we always take. Second gear chirp. Okay, first gear. Not bad for a 15-year-old car.
Not bad at all.
It's pretty silent though. Wish it was a little louder.